Where? Where?
At, in, or to a place or position.
I've been meaning to ask you where you get your haircut. I like to have him next to me where I can keep an eye on him.
To. To.
Used before adjectives and adverbs to mean not very.
How was your exam? Not too bad, I suppose. I didn't play too well today. He wasn't too happy when I told him about the mistake.
Friend. Friend.
Friend. Friend.
Friend, friendliness, friendship, friendly, unfriendly.
A person you write to on an internet site.
I've just added Adam as a friend on Facebook.
Ship. Ship.
A large boat that carries people or goods by sea.
A sailing ship. A merchant or naval ship. They boarded a ship that was sailing the next day.
Ceiling. Ceiling.
Ceiling. Ceiling.
The surface of a room which you can see when you look above you.
Look at all those lights hanging from the ceiling. Broken. Broken. Break, outbreak, break, breakable, broken.
Damaged and separated into pieces.
He attacked the man with a broken bottle. Careful, there's broken glass on the floor.
An arm or leg, etc. with a damaged bone.
Her little brother has a broken arm.
No longer able to work.
My watch is broken.
Pupil. Pupil.
A child at school.
A second-year pupil. A primary school pupil. The school has over 400 pupils.
Mountain. Mountain.
Mountain. Mountain.
A raised part of the Earth's surface, much larger than a hill, the top of which might be covered in snow.
The Matterhorn is one of the biggest mountains in Europe. The Rockies are a mountain range in the western USA. I'd love to go mountain climbing.
Advanced. Advanced.
Advance, advanced.
At a higher, more difficult level.
An advanced English course. Believe. Believe. Belief, believe, unbelievable.
To think that something is true, or that what someone says is true.
They believe that their health has suffered because of the chemicals. I can't believe that she wants to go out with me. I told you she was there, but you wouldn't believe me.
To think something, without being completely sure.
Is she coming alone? I believe so. All the crew are missing, believed dead.
Purse. purse,
A small container for money, usually used by a woman.
A leather purse. Guest. Guest.
Someone who comes to visit you in your home, at a party, etc.
We've got some guests coming this weekend. There were 90 guests at their wedding.
A person who is staying in a hotel.
We would like to remind all our guests to leave their keys at reception before they depart.
Pardon. Pardon.
Used to politely ask someone to repeat something they have said because you have not heard it.
You'll need an umbrella. Pardon? I said you'll need an umbrella.
Heating. Heating.
Heat, heater, heating, heat.
The system that keeps a building warm.
Is the heating on?
chocolate, chocolate,
chocolate, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate,
Chocolate. Chocolate.
A sweet drink made with chocolate and hot milk.
2 hot chocolates and a cappuccino, please.